Oh no, oh no, oh no. Alright, what is going on, you guys? A casual fisherman here, bring you yet another casual fishing video. And today, we're going to be going after some post-storm bass. Going to go to a pond with some drains in it, and basically my hope is to throw some jigs, bonita bugs, some shakes into the current and see if I can find me a nice big old hungry bass. And maybe towards the end of the night, might tie in a frog and hopefully get a little bit of retention on the frog bite. But that's really it for this intro. Nothing too complicated, nothing too fancy. We'll get into it a little bit more there. But with that said, let's go fishing. Alright, so I've arrived at spot number one. Basically what I'm doing here, pitching right in front of these pipes or whatever. It's a nice little weightless bonita bug and June bug coloring. Let's see if I can get me a bite. Gotten a few casts in already. No confirmed bites yet, although on this last cast had something kind of weird happen over here, so might have been a bite, might have been a snag. We'll find out. Hopefully. Anyways, I'm in I think like a retirement village or something like that. So I'm gonna try to keep my voice down a little bit, so I don't have like some old person calling the cops on me or something. You have? Oh, I got something on right now. I think. Yep. Oh boy. Oh boy. That's a lot bigger than I thought it was. Come here. Yes, sir. Yeah, that's probably about a 3 or 4 right there. Yeah, I saw him kind of swimming around over there. Didn't know if he'd bite or not. Hey, stop. It's about 3. A little over 3 pounds. Yep. Nice. Ooh, that's the second bite I had right there. Alright, so basically what's going on here. Didn't really explain that much, but I was caught that nice little 3. It was like a hair over 3 on the June bug, bonita bug, and baits, as you guys probably well know. Just caught it right in there. Actually, just got another bite right there. See if I can catch me another fish. But so far so good, this little spot. Of course, this little pond connects to the pond I was fishing earlier. So, it's kind of interesting. I know this pond dried up a couple years ago when I checked Google Earth. It's kind of interesting to see there's actually fish here. I kind of wonder if these are just fish that came here from the other pond over there, or if they're fish from over there. Because I'm not 100% certain if they can get out from that. Either way, already got a nice fish on the board, no complaints. There you go. Just where I wanted it. Going pro next year, boys. Fish on. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh, it's another nice one. Get out of there, dude. Oh jeez, oh jeez. Okay, come on. Let's go. How you doing? Yeah, you think so? Yeah, another nice one. Stop. I just want to weigh you and I'll put you back. Yep. Another 3. How about that? Whew. How about that? 2 3-pounders already. Gotta get them thumbnails. What I'm really trying to do is see if I can get them like way down on those freaking pipes. I bet there's something hiding down there. Might be a turtle, might be chupacabra, might be a 4-pound bass. I don't know. That's a bite. Oh, dang it. Ah, something ate my freaking one of the legs on there. That's usually a sign of a bluegill. No way. Something grabbed it right there. I think so, yeah, something must have been following it, and then might be another nice one too. Like I said, sorry about being kind of quiet, because like I said, I'm in like a retirement community and I don't really want to be too bothersome. So it's maybe kind of quiet. Alright, so it's been like a good hour since I've caught my last fish, or really gotten a bite, really. But I decided it's time to put on the old frog. Let's see if I can finally get my first frog fish ever. It's seen quite a bit of activity already up here. So let's see if I can get me a topwater bass. Alright, no luck over there on the frog. Gonna give something right there just happened, but I'm gonna give this spot a try for about, I'd say 10 to 15 minutes. If I don't get any luck, then I'll see you guys at the car for the outro. If not, I'll show you guys that clip. So fingers crossed I get a frog bite tonight. Whoa, oh, it broke me off. That was a big fish. Ooh, that was my last frog too. Oh, man. That was a big fish. That was a really big fish. I don't have any more frogs. I lost my other one at the other spot. Oh, well, the heartbreak and agony of frog fishing continues ever yet. Well, that was an interesting day. Apologies about the lighting again. That's kind of the problem with fishing in the evenings now, because when I do the outro now, the lighting's pretty bad. So I do have to apologize in advance. Anyways, apologies again for not talking much. I think I probably mentioned this in the video, but I'm in like a retirement village of some sort, and I don't really want to bother people, so I try to keep it kind of down. But basically, so what went well today? Caught 2-3 pounders on the bandito bug, and I missed another nice one, I think. I'm not really sure how big it might have been, swimming a bandito bug in, I don't know. And then, of course, guys, as you guys saw at the end, broke off on that frog. Not sure if it broke off at the knot. I wasn't 100% certain how good the knot I tied was on. I probably should have just been not lazy and retied it. It's would be the first time this line is broken on a big to decent-ish fish this year, so maybe it's the line. I don't know. Either way, that one hurt more than the 5 fish I missed the other night on the frog, because that was a big fish. That was probably going to be at least another 3 or 4 pounder. So that's definitely that definitely hurts. It definitely hurts a little bit. Anyways, really like the spot. I'm definitely going to be coming back with some vengeance. Probably going to bring some more frogs, some more bandito bugs, maybe some jigs next time. Because I said I was going to fish for jigs when I first started, but when the bandito bug was producing bites, so didn't really want to put that away. So yeah, that's that. So takeaways for today: tie better knots, and I found a new fishing spot. That was my 2 takeaways. Actually, there's one more. There's another pond just a little north of here, literally just north of that, kind of feeds into smaller little, it feeds into this one right here. And that one looked pretty froggy, looked pretty good. We're gonna have to check that one out in the future. But that being said, I think that's really all I have for you guys today, guys. So, do hope you guys, excuse me, do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Excuse me. And you guys know the drill. Keep it casual, folks.